This video shows how to correctly take out and put back the MQB interface board to the box. Open the module box and take out the 20-pin cable and PCF adapter first. Note, the MQB interface board holder is a double-layer design, with interface boards fixed on the upper and lower layers. If you need to take out the 74, 77, 81, 82, 87 interface board on the upper layer, just turn the fixed lock on the interface board counterclockwise and make it parallel to the lock groove to take out the interface board. To take out the lower 75, 78, 79, 80, 83, 84, 85, 86 interface board, you need to take out the entire interface board holder first, turn over the interface board holder, and then turn the fixing lock of the interface board counterclockwise. Rotate it until it is parallel to the lock slot, and you can take out the interface board. When put the interface board back into the box, adjust the fixed lock buckle to the same direction as the lock groove. Align the fixed lock buckle and the fixing post, put the interface board in, and tighten the fixed lock buckle clockwise. Thank you for watching.